What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video in which we're going to be talking about and we're going to be doing an update on my prediction on EOS, which I covered yesterday. I think it was about 18 or 16 hours ago. After that we actually got our bullish breakout, which we talked about in that video, reached our price target, and now we have dropped down quite a bit, which isn't visible from this screen because here it still shows that we are up 15%, which is true. And together with that, the volume has increased to 1.5 billion, which is amazing. That's amazing. There's nothing you can say about that. Obviously, volume is not necessarily bullish or bearish because this volume consists out of people buying and selling, but it's great to see. It's a great indicator for the crypto market and definitely for EOS. So yeah, let's actually dive into it. So as I said, it wasn't visible on CoinMarketCap, but we have dropped down quite a bit. Quick recap of what we said yesterday is that what I said yesterday, we were trying to break this level, and I said that if we could actually break that, which we did with this candle, then I thought we would get all the way up to a price target, kind of depending on the momentum in the market, but between 1.8 and 1.85. So we reached, with the wick, we actually reached 1.95, which I didn't expect. But at the end, we didn't manage to close above 1.84, which, as you can see, is a major fib. It's that 0.5 fib, and this wide Fibonacci level, usually I make the strongest Fibonacci levels wide. This is quite a strong fib level, all right? So we didn't manage to break above that. So there's basically two things that can happen for EOS right now. Our main price target with EOS would be that $2 level. Is it possible to reach that level? Yes, I do think so. I think it's very possible to reach $2. I think it's realistic, even in the bear market. But there's one big thing we would need to do for EOS, and that's quite important to understand. We would need to stay above 1.7. All right. As you can see, that this whole key area ranges from $2 up to $1.7, and it basically consists out of two areas: the upper bound right here and the lower bound. What you can see is that we have broken above that lower bound and also took a very small break retest. Which is not great, to be honest. That shows that there's not a lot of bullish momentum. But if we can actually stay above that upper bound for the next 24 hours, so today, it's the morning of Tuesday. If tomorrow we're still above 1.7, then I think we're going up to $2, because that shows that there's enough enough buyer strength to actually hold these levels. And of course, it always depends on the market circumstances, but I think that tomorrow there will be enough bullish momentum to get up to $2 if we can hold it now. That's very important to realize, because if we break through that, which, let's be honest, seems to be the most likely scenario, if we break under 1.7 now, we'll find support at 1.6, but afterwards I do expect that we'll drop down all the way to 1.5 and 1.45 again. And from there I'll probably have to update it again, because what happens at that point of time depends on the price movements leading up to that moment, but also the market circumstances. So yeah, it's basically, I don't have a clear bias on EOS right now. Usually I do have a bias on these analysis, but it just depends on 1.7. To me, it all depends on 1.7. If we can stay above that, I think we're going up to $2, and I think there's enough bullish momentum to do that. But if we break down that, and that looks to be the most likely scenario right now, if 1.7 breaks, I think we're dropping all the way down to 1.45 and 1.5. Not immediately, but in the days after that. So yeah, that's basically my update on my analysis on EOS. So if you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. For now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care and bye.